There is an ancient calling that whispers through every leaf, every stone, every breath of wind. Before temples were built, before words were written, nature was our first and truest teacher. In the silence of ancient forests, we can remember what our hearts have always known. The earth holds secrets that no amount of searching in books or words can reveal. It speaks in the language of beauty, through the sky, the stones, the plants, the trees, the waters, and through the grace that moves through all things. This is where the journey begins, not in distant places, but in the sacred ground beneath our feet. Here, within the embrace of the natural world, we discover a path that leads us home, that leads us to our heart and to the heart of all. In this book, Primordial Grace, you will find all the instruction and meditations to evolve with the earth. From earth-sitting and walking meditation to the most profound and primordial teachings connecting the heart and the light. This book, Primordial Grace, written by Robert and Rachel Olds, can be your guide on your journey to the sea.